Currently in Spain, rabbit is economically exploited for the production of the fifth most commonly consumed type of meat, and also for the production of leather and fur. In our country, there are 3,000 farms of rabbits, of which 70% are engaged in the production of rabbit for meat, according to the latest data from the General Register of Livestock Farms in Spain, April of 2015. However, of the 5,000 farms that existed in June of 2007, it has decreased to 3,000 at present. And when it comes to the current census of rabbits, the REGA throws a figure of 6,500,000 specimens.
The farm is divided into two departments, reproduction and the feedlot, to facilitate the handling of cages located on the sites. There will be a central area. It is convenient to divide the departments into several compartments in which each one lodges up to 170 females. The optimum temperatures are between 14 and 22 degrees, with a relative humidity around 60%. Therefore, there are provided with cooling and heating systems.
Cages can be distributed individually or stacked in 2 or 3 floors, but always complying with the regulatory dimension of approximately 15 cm wide, 90 cm long, and 35 cm in height for reproducer with 8 blenders, and 45 cm wide and long, and 35 cm in height each 3 blenders for weight by cage. Cages are built with electro-welded and galvanized mesh, which allow good ventilation, easy of operation and have a long duration, with metal rod or plastic floors. Net can be made or galvanized iron, fiber cement, wood or plastic. Watering system must be equipped with a constant level of pulsator to guarantee the supply of water, hopper and fodder for the storage of feed.
The first step is the opening of 2 inches in the ground for the foundation. A layer of gravel of about 30 centimeters must be deposited. It is advisable to add a layer of insulation on top of the gravel. And finally, the floor of the shed must be a layer of concrete of 10 centimeters. It is important to take into account the slope of the soil to facilitate the cleaning of dropping. Roof can be gabied or valued supported of beams of iron forming a lattice. The material of the roof depends on the location of the shed. The most commonly used materials are shingles or corrugated fiber cement plates.
To ensure the solidity of the building, honeycomb clay block walls are used. Fiber cement or cellular concrete prefabricated sandwich panels are also commonly used. Ventilation will try to be as natural as possible,
but we opening mechanized to gain walking efficiency. Keep in mind that windows and other openings have double chamber to avoid heat losses. The entrance door, like the ones inside the rabbit hole, is 1.5 meters. During the last years in Spain, the number of rabbit farms has decreased, although exports have increased. The efficiency of an accommodation for rabbit requires a correct planning of the constructed details, such as distribution of the sheep, dimensions, and equipment. The type of optimal habitat and environment will depend on the good choice of materials used in construction.